Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to skip a week in HelloFresh. First, log in to your HelloFresh account. Next, click on My Menus. From there, select the delivery day for the week you want to skip. Then, click Manage Week. Make sure you do this by 11:59 p.m. at least 5 days before your next scheduled delivery. This gives HelloFresh enough time to alert their suppliers. If you have a multi-week discount or credit on your account, don't worry, it will stay intact and only apply to the weeks you actually order. And that's it. That's how to skip a week in HelloFresh. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.